Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 7th chapter is going on, that is understanding fractions, in which we have completed exercise 7a to exercise 7f. Yesterday we have started exercise 7g. We have done question number 1. In that, what was question number 1? Question number 1 was we have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction in this question. Today we will continue with the same question, that is question number 1, convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, and we will continue question number 2 also, in which we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So children, as we have discussed it, how we are converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we are converting mixed fraction into improper fraction by the formula, that is d multiply by q plus r upon d. D is for divisor, q is for quotient, and r is for remainder. So d multiply by q means divisor multiply by quotient and plus remainder upon divisor. So this is the formula, or we can say this is the format for converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now children, first we will do question number F of part 1, in which we have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So F, G and H question we will do today, and after doing F, G, H, we will start question number 2, converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. So children, let's start it doing question number 1 and 2, and if you will have any query you can ask me on WhatsApp group. So children, now let us start it. Question number F now, 10 upon 6. We will divide 10 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, we will do 6 is nearest to 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 6 is the divisor here, 1 is the quotient here, and 4 is the remainder. As the format is given q whole 1 r upon d, so we will write 1 on the place of q, 4 in the place of r, and 6 in the place of divisor. So 1 whole 4 upon 6 is the mixed fraction of 10 upon 6. Now we'll see question number G. Question number G is 28 upon 12. We will divide here 28 by 12. So 12 2s are 24. 24 is nearest to 28. So 8 minus 4 will be 4, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. That we have not written here. You can write it also. So 12 is the divisor, 4 is the remainder, and 2 is the quotient. As q whole r upon d is the format, so we will write the numbers given on this format, that is 2 whole 4 upon 2. 2 is the quotient, 4 is the remainder, and 12 is the divisor. So 2 whole 4 upon 12 is the answer of 28 upon 12. 2 whole 4 upon 12 is the mixed fraction for 28 upon 12. Now question number H, in which 43 upon 28 is the improper fraction. Now this improper fraction we will convert it into mixed fraction. We will divide 43 by 28. So children, in the table of 28, 43 does not come, so we will take 28 ones are 28. Now 3 is smaller than 8 here, so 3 will borrow 1 from 4, it will become 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5. 4 has given 1 2 3, so 4 remains 3 here. 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now here 28 is the divisor, 1 is the question, and 15 is the remainder here. As the format is given q whole r upon d, that is 1 whole 15 upon 28. 1 is the quotient, 15 is the remainder, and 28 is the divisor. So this is the last question for question number 1, converted to mixed fraction. Now second question is convert into improper fraction. Let's see question number 2, convert into improper fraction. First question is 1 whole 4 upon 5. And according to the format which is given in your book, it is d divisor multiply by q quotient and plus r remainder upon d. So d is 5 here, q is 1 here, and r is 4 here. So 5 multiplied by 1 plus 4 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9 upon 5 is the improper fraction for this mixed fraction 1 whole 4 upon 5. Question number B, 2 whole 2 upon 5. Again d multiplied by q plus r upon d. So 5 multiplied by 2 plus 2 upon 5 here. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12. 5 will be 5 here, 12 upon 5 is the improper fraction for this mixed fraction 2 whole 2 upon 5. Now question number C, 1 whole 3 upon 5. Again d multiplied by q plus r upon d. So we will take 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3 upon 5. Here 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 will be written as 5 here. So 8 upon 5 is the mixed fraction, is the improper fraction for this mixed fraction 1 whole 3 upon 5. So this how we are converting in improper fraction into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now children, to your today's homework is you will repeat question number F, G, H of question number 1 and question number A, B, C from question 2 in your rough copy for practicing it. If you will have any query regarding this both the part, so you can ask me. Children, thank you and have a nice day.